Right, Makita radio. Power failure. She's not working on the battery. And she's not working on the power supply. Right. I've already tried this. This is the power distribution board, so it is. So all the different batteries and it can tick. The 7.2, the 12 volt, the 18 volt. They all feed into that there. And I take power from whichever is needed. But that's not fixed it. So I wonder now, is the actual power supply socket down here been damaged? That's it, way down in here. Right, that's your power in. Power, it's come up power fail. Power distribution didn't repair it because I've already changed this on a new board. So try this here. Take out the right hand speaker to get access to it. And you have to cut off the wee dust cover from the side that actually holds this wee plastic boy that retains the board on. So we'll try this one. Nothing's on the other speaker yet because that'll have no effect on the running. I just need to tell if there's sound coming out of it. One speaker will be enough. Right. Still saying power fail. There we go. I can't put it on the radio. I can't play any music on it or it's copyright infringement. So you'll have to trust me that it still gets a signal. But your switch is on, she's powering up. That's what we want. So that's the problem there. If your radio won't switch on, she comes up power fail. Replace the power input socket. There's the old one. So she's probably shorted out on side or something like that there. It's not an expensive part anyway. So now, put everything back together again. That sits in there. Two wee screws. Hold this in place. Down that way. Slides down here. And then this here screw for the dust cover. Hold it in place. And install your speakers. Speaker. It'll be just handier to do it that way. And refit your 4 bolts. And you have these 2 screws on there to put back in. Now they're a security torque, and they're in very deep, so getting the driver to fit that there is a problem. They're a 15 security torque. That one's alright. That one goes all the way down.